Hello. Today we're going to talk about how to pronounce silent letters. It sounds a little bit weird saying how do we pronounce something that's silent, but what they are the letters in words that are written, but we don't say them, so we don't pronounce them. And they can make English spelling quite tricky, but learning them does help improve both reading and pronunciation. So, for example, the word bee, you have comb, climb, numb. So you don't say the bee. And K, knife, no, knee. W, right, wrong, sword. T, listen, castle, whistle. G, sign, design, foreign. H, hour, honest, what. And L, walk, talk, calm. So let's look at them one by one. So the B, you can see the words comb, climb, numb. The B is at the end of the word. But in the beginning or the middle, we do say the B, like brave, bright, number, plumber. The K and the G are silent before an N, like knife, no, knee, or sign, design, foreign, but not in front of other words like king, kitchen, book, baker, think, like. And the G's go, get, give, ginger, gym. I hear many people saying gym and they use the hard G. They call it gum, but it's actually a soft G, gym. If you want to know more about the soft and the hard G sounds, watch the video on the G pronunciation. And W before an R, like right or wrong. After an S, sometimes, not always. Here, sword and answer, we don't say the W. And then some old words like who and whole. But in other words, in fact, in most words, we do pronounce the W, like water, swim, twist, when, where. The T is a bit trickier because it comes after groups of letters, like TEN. So we don't say the T, we say listen, fasten, often. And also in STLE, like castle or whistle. And just some French words like buffet, ballet, and some more words you just have to learn because there's no rule, like Christmas, subtle, mortgage. And H at the beginning of words like our and honest, or after a W, what, when, why. In some old words like ghost or ghetto. And L is after an A and a U in some words. So walk, talk, calm, could, would, should. These ones, unfortunately, you just have to practice. So let's practice now. Which letters are silent? We have the ghost used a knife to cut butter while taking a walk through the woods. Ghost, knife, walk, through. Silent H in ghost, knife, to cut butter while taking a walk, we don't say the L, and through the woods. Yeah, he tried to climb the fridge to get cheese, but a whistle blew and made him listen for danger. Climb, whistle, listen. So climb is a silent B. Whistle, we don't pronounce the H. Whistle, whistle. And listen has got a silent T. Listen. Climb, whistle, listen. With another one. She began to write a story for about an hour. It was honestly a waste of her time. Do you remember what we said? We use an H at the beginning of the word. Hour, honestly. Right, and that's it for now. So if you have anything that you're looking for or have questions you want answered, please reach out to me or let me know what other videos you want on pronunciation.